Realtor.ca tutorial video. I am going to be showing you guys how to find homes for sale here on the Realtor.ca application. So once Realtors open up, what I want you to do is to first and foremost go to the bottom left and press on the search page. So for example, if you're on the menu tab, for instance, go to the bottom left and press on search. Then go to the top and press on location or MLS number. So for example, if you wanted to search up homes in the Vancouver region, we'll go ahead and press Vancouver, British Columbia right here. It's now going to refine your search to the Vancouver area. And if you want to refine it even further, go to the top right, press on filters, make sure that the for sale button is selected. So if you're on for rent, for instance, just like this, make sure you do have for sale selected. Type in your features, go to the bottom right, press on search, and then proceed this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find homes for sale here on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.